Today I'm making spruce tip syrup. Spring is slowly creeping up on us and I actually managed to procrastinate working on this video until it was seasonally appropriate again. Spruce tip syrup is not only a fun addition to cocktail hour, but it's also supposed to soothe lung congestion, but mainly the cocktail thing. The first step is to collect some spruce tips. My neighbor's spruce overhangs our fence and I'm nicking off them. I collected about 2 handfuls. Wash the spruce tips and then fill the bowl with fresh water. I'm using about twice as much water as spruce tips. This is a by eye measurement, as all measurements in this recipe. Let your spruce float in the water for a few hours. Time actually got away from me a bit, which is why they got to enjoy their bath overnight. Put the spruce together with the water in a pot and simmer on medium to low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Your kitchen will smell like a forest. Strain and put the spruce tea back in the pot. Add sugar, about 1 part sugar for every 2 parts liquid. Also a good shot of lemon juice, both for flavor and it helps the color. Back on the stove and simmer until the liquid has reduced to about half of what you started with. While that's happening, disinfect some bottles or jars. I did mine in the oven, but use hot water or whatever method works best for you. I go back and forth honestly. If I reduced enough, the 2 jars should be enough to hold the syrup. Oh, I lost patience a bit too early. No matter. Close the jars and keep in a cool, dry place until opening. Afterwards, best kept in the fridge. Enjoy!